There's a simple joy in growing your own food, especially crisp, sweet bell peppers picked fresh from the plant. Green bell peppers are a kitchen staple. Slice them into salads, stuff and bake them, or toss them into stir-fries and sauces. Their mild, sweet flavor and vibrant color make them a favorite for families and chefs. The demand for fresh, healthy vegetables is rising as people seek food that's both delicious and good for them. Organic bell peppers, grown without chemical pesticides or fertilizers, are truly wholesome. For small farmers or gardeners, this is a chance to grow something in high demand. People will pay extra for clean, safe produce. Think of it as growing green gold. The organic market is booming, with shoppers seeking out local growers at farmers markets and shops. By growing organic bell peppers, you're cultivating trust and a reputation for quality. Even a small patch of land can become a source of income. Whether for your family's table or to sell locally, the principles are the same. This guide will walk you through every step, from soil prep to harvest. With a bit of care, you can have a thriving crop of organic green bell peppers. It's not as complicated as you might think. Let's get our hands dirty and start growing something wonderful. The process is satisfying and rewards you with delicious, healthy food. Ready to begin? Let's dive in. Growing organically is a choice that benefits you and the world around you. Organic means working with nature, no synthetic fertilizers, pesticides, or herbicides. Instead, we use natural methods to feed and protect our plants. This keeps soil, water, and air clean, and supports a healthy ecosystem. Organic peppers offer pure, unadulterated flavor, no chemical residues. Studies show organic produce can have higher levels of antioxidants and vitamins. Organic farming builds healthy soil, supports pollinators, and helps capture carbon. It creates a sustainable, resilient system for long-term success. Healthy soil means stronger, more resilient plants. You become a steward of the land, improving it for future generations. It's a deeply satisfying way to grow, creating a positive legacy. Every seed you plant is a step toward a healthier world. Everything good in the garden starts with the soil. Bell peppers thrive in rich, well-draining, loamy soil full of organic matter. Add well-rotted compost to enrich the soil and improve its structure. Work compost into the top 68 inches of your garden bed a few weeks before planting. Peppers prefer slightly acidic to neutral soil, pH 6.0 to 6.8. Test your soil's pH and adjust if needed with lime or sulfur. Loosen the soil to a depth of about a foot and remove weeds. A well-prepared bed gives your peppers the best start. Good soil means healthy roots and a bountiful harvest. Take the time to prepare, and your plants will reward you. Healthy soil is the cornerstone of organic gardening. Set the stage for success from the ground up. Growing peppers from seed is magical and easier than you think. Start seeds indoors, 8 to 10 weeks before your last frost date. Use seed trays or small pots with organic seed starting mix. Sow 2 to 3 seeds per cell, about 1 4-inch deep, and keep the mix moist. Peppers need warmth to germinate. Aim for 24-29 degrees, 75-85 degrees. Cover trays with a plastic dome to maintain humidity. Once seedlings emerge, give them plenty of light. Use grow lights if needed. When the first set of true leaves appears, thin to the strongest seedling per pot. Water regularly, but don't overdo it. Early care builds strong roots and sturdy stems. Patience pays off. Healthy seedlings mean a great harvest. Watch them grow and get ready for the next step. Your pepper journey is well underway. After weeks indoors, it's time to move your seedlings outside. Start hardening off. 1 to 2 weeks before transplanting, gradually expose them to outdoor conditions. Begin with a few hours in the shade, increasing sun and time each day. Only transplant after all frost danger is past and nights are above 13 degrees, 55 degrees. Water seedlings before transplanting to help the root ball stay intact. Space plants 18-24 inches apart in rows 24-36 inches apart for good air circulation. Dig holes slightly larger than the pots. Set seedlings at soil level and firm the soil around them. Water thoroughly to settle them in. Choose a calm, overcast day if possible to reduce stress. Handle roots gently. Avoid disturbing them. Proper transplanting sets your peppers up for success. Now, watch them take off in their new home. Bell peppers need sunshine and water. Simple, but essential. Plant them where they'll get at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sun daily. Sunlight fuels growth and fruit production. Water consistently, keeping soil moist but not soggy. About 1–2 inches of water per week is a good rule, but check soil moisture regularly. Water at the base, not on the leaves, to prevent disease. Morning watering is best, leaves dry before nightfall. Deep infrequent watering encourages strong roots. Avoid shallow watering, which leads to weak plants. Use soaker hoses or drip irrigation for efficiency. Healthy, happy peppers start with the right sun and water. A few simple care steps make all the difference. Apply a 2–3 inch layer of organic mulch, straw, leaves, or untreated grass clippings. Mulch suppresses weeds, retains moisture, and adds nutrients as it breaks down. Keep mulch away from the plant stem to prevent rot. Side dress with compost every few weeks or use a balanced organic liquid fertilizer. Check plants regularly for pests. Aphids can be sprayed off with water. Use organic insecticidal soap for persistent pests. Attract beneficial insects by planting flowers like marigolds nearby. A diverse, healthy garden is your best defense. Consistent care leads to a thriving pepper patch. The reward for your care. Harvest time. Pick green bell peppers when they're firm, glossy, and about 3 to 4 inches long. Use pruning shears or a knife to cut peppers, leaving a bit of stem attached. Regular harvesting encourages more fruit production. Don't let too many peppers mature on the plant, or it may slow down. If left longer, peppers will turn red, yellow, or orange, sweeter and higher in vitamin C. Enjoy a mix of green and ripened peppers for variety. Harvest at least once or twice a week for a continuous supply. There's nothing like the taste of homegrown peppers. Your organic green bell peppers are more than just food. They're a potential income source. The demand for local organic produce is strong, and people pay for quality. Farmers markets connect you directly with customers who value your story and your care. Display peppers attractively, and keep them fresh to build a loyal following. Sell to local restaurants or through a farm stand or CSA box for more opportunities. Even a small crop can yield impressive results. Growing organic peppers is a step toward a healthier, more sustainable lifestyle. Enjoy the journey, from seed to harvest to market. Embrace the process, learn from the land, and savor the results. Your garden holds the promise of good health and good fortune. For more information, visit our marketplace at www.agric4profits.com to order your green bell pepper seeds today and get started.